Welcome student. Today the topic is vector class. Vector class is one of the most important class in java.util package. Actually, when we want to store more than one records, collection of records, and those are homogeneous, then we use arrays. And if the we store we want to store heterogeneous types of data, then we use structure. But there is one disadvantage of structure. Structure is public type. Public type means the access specifier of structure is by default public in nature. So the contents of structure can access at any time from anywhere. Because we know when we implement structure, the structure contents must have to access from methods, and we always define the methods outside of structure. So outside of the structure means we want to access the contents, the elements or fields of structure from the outside of the structure. So the structure elements by default public in nature. So that's why if we want to store heterogeneous data type or heterogeneous records, then vector is one of the most important which helps us. Vector is have to build using this line where we create an object of vector which is here vect, and of this object we can invoke various methods. Those are implemented under this class. Here I can show you the how many methods are there. Okay, these are the methods, and these all methods are defined here. So as per these methods you can easily implement your own vector class. Basically here I am writing here add element. So we insert element one after another. So when we insert 1, so it is stored at 0 position. When we insert 2, it is stored at 1 position. When we insert 3, it is stored at 2 position. When we insert 5, it is stored at 3 position. So all the elements are stored sequentially one after another. But vector is one of the most flexible class where we can insert an element at anywhere at any time. So if we use insert element at this method instead of add element, then we can insert a specific element at any position. So this is a value, number of words. This string value we can insert at 0 position. So when we insert this value at 0 position, so it is the index, it is the value, so it is one type of linked list type. Linked list means linked list contains address and value. Here also this method taken two parameters, one is value, another is position. So when we insert this number of words, this value at 0 position, automatically all the vectors element shift automatically. So after inserting this element, the position of one value moves towards 1. Similarly, the position of 2 moves by 1. The position of 3 value move 1. The position of 5 value move 1. So when we insert this element, after that the position of 1 is 1, the position of 2 is 1, 2 is 2, the position of 3 is 3, the position of 5 is 4. So all the elements shift right one after another automatically, which is not happen in array. Because in array, when we insert an element at a particular position, then the position if holds any previous value, then the previous value overwritten, प्रीवियस जो वैल्यू रहता था वो ओवरराइट हो जाता था. We have to lost that element. But here in case of vector, if we insert an element at a particular position, then the previous element move on towards right position. So that is the advantage. In the same way, we also insert 4 at 4 position. Here in previous in this vector at 4 position the value is 5, but when we insert 4, then this 5 value shift one index towards right। ये 5 एलिमेंट एक घर राइट में शिफ्ट हो जाएगा और 4 यहाँ पे बैठ जाएगा। ये 4 ये 5 को ओवरराइट नहीं कर पाएगा। सो दिस इज द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ वेक्टर। ओके, so we know that vector, the size of the vector is dynamic in nature, because in array we have to initialize the size, but in vector size not mentioned. So we can show the size of the vector, we can enhance the size, we can decrease the size at any time. Okay, we can also print the size using vec.size function. Okay, if we want to display the method, display the elements, then we use a simple loop for I equal to 0, I less than vec.size, and within this loop we print the vec.element with the corresponding index. So vec.element I, so that method element add display the element from the vector with this position one after another. Okay, now if we remove some element, then we use remove element this function, and we write the value, then the mentioned value automatically remove from the vector. Okay, and in case of array, if we remove an element, then the vacant position holds garbage value, but in case of vector, if we remove an element, then automatically previous element squeeze one after another and its size decreases। जो एलिमेंट डिलीट हो रहा है उसका राइट पोजीशन में जितना एलिमेंट रहेगा दे ऑटोमेटिकली शिफ्ट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट पोजीशन एंड just remove the vacant and squeeze its size। So in this way we can implement vector class। So if we execute this class, then this is the output। The vector size is 6 because 1 2 3 5 पहले से इंसर्ट हो चुका था। उसके पहले we insert number of words and we insert 5, then the size enhanced to 6, and if we want to display, so number of words it is the first value, 1 second value, 2 next, 3 we insert 4 in between 3 and 5, so 4 insert at 4 position and 5 shift towards right। After remove this element, after remove 5, the vector size decreases to 5 and we display the elements here। Okay, if we show something more, if we update some value, then we write like this: we insert the element at any position, we remove the element from any position। If we insert this 506 at 4 position, then 506 placed at 4, and 4 this value shifted 1 towards right, then 4 going to 5 position and 5 going to 6 position, one after another, we can also remove। Okay, so here if we run it again, then now see this 506 placed at 4 position and 4 automatically removed। Automatically means we use this statement remove element, so 4 removed। If we don't write this, then 4 is not removed। Okay, if we write like this, then our output like this, look, this is the output। Okay. So there are so many advantages of vector over array and structure, and we implement this vector in terms of to develop air flight reservation, to develop railway booking system, to develop some WhatsApp list, to develop Facebook relationship program, where the friend list of a particular profile is not limited। Okay, the friend list capacity is huge, the activity of flight reservation, the activity of online booking, railway booking system is huge, and automatically the list maintained। So we implement vector using in this of applications we uses vector। So please watch and share and explore this class, then you can get more and more idea। Please watch and share and subscribe my channel and explore more and more features on vector। Try this code in your PC। Thank you my dear students।